Honeywell thermostat monitor reading 6A low or baelo.
Hello, were the batteries corroded at the tips when you replaced?
No.
Thank you. There are very reasons for this. The baelo obviously means battery low. Either the new batteries put in are bad. The batteries were not put in correctly. The thermostat is not reading the battery power, which does happen. Make sure the batteries are good, use alocohol and qtip and clean contact points in thermostat, and make sure correctly inserted. In the event the baelo still appears, you will need to replace the thermostat. Not an answer most like, but unfortunately it is limited to bad batteries, wrong position, bad contacts or bad thermostat. Billy.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit justanswer.com/ythi.